Picture this. It's 6 a.m., your alarm is ringing and you're dreading the day ahead. You hit the snooze button, hoping for a few more precious minutes of sleep. But before you know it, time has slipped away and you're scrambling to get out of bed. You rush through your morning routine, skipping breakfast and trying to get ready as quickly as possible. Your mind is already buzzing with the day's to-do list, and you haven't even stepped out the door yet. You grab your keys, dash out, and jump into your car, already running late. Your heart is racing, your stress levels are through the roof, and the sun has barely risen. It's a frantic start to the day, a whirlwind of chaos that sets the tone for the hours to come. Does this chaos sound familiar? What if there was a better way to start your day? About a year ago, I found myself in this exact situation, stressed, tired, and unproductive. Each day was a chaotic whirlwind of rushing to get ready, skipping breakfast, and diving headfirst into a pile of work. I could feel it, both mentally and physically. I was constantly on edge, my energy was depleted, and my productivity was at an all-time low. I knew something had to change. I started to experiment with my morning routine. I swapped the rush and chaos for calm and tranquility. I dedicated the first hour of my day to myself, to nourish my body, to exercise my mind, and to prepare for the day ahead. I started waking up earlier, eating a healthy breakfast, meditating, and setting my intentions for the day. It wasn't easy to make these changes, but I was determined to shift the course of my mornings and, in turn, my life. And so, my journey to a healthier, happier morning began. The new morning routine I adopted is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly effective. Let's dive into the details. The first step is waking up early. I know. The thought of leaving your cozy bed while it's still dark outside can feel like a Herculean task. But trust me, the tranquility of the early morning is worth it. It's a time when the world is still, quiet, and the perfect canvas for setting the tone of your day. Next, we have exercising. Now, this doesn't have to be a grueling workout session. A brisk walk, some yoga, or a quick run will do the trick. The goal is to get your blood pumping and your body energized. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, helping you to start your day on a positive note. Then comes meditation. Even a few minutes of stillness can help clear your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. Think of it as a mental cleanse, washing away any lingering stress or worries from the previous day. This is your time to simply be, to breathe, and to center yourself. Eating a healthy breakfast follows next. You've heard it before. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And it's true. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind, keeping you focused and productive throughout the morning. So opt for whole foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. Finally, we have planning the day. This is about setting clear and achievable goals for what you want to accomplish. It could be as simple as finishing a book, cleaning your room, or preparing for a presentation at work. Having a clear plan gives you direction and purpose and helps you make the most of your day. This ritual seemed daunting at first, but the benefits I noticed were immediate and profound. So, give it a try. Change your morning and you just might change your life. You might be wondering what's so great about this morning ritual. Let's dive right into the multitude of benefits that each step in this routine brings to your life. Firstly, waking up early. It's not just about beating the sunrise or the birds to their morning song, it's about giving yourself a head start. Imagine a race where you're allowed to start a few steps ahead of the competition. That's what waking up early does for you. It gives you those precious few moments of quiet and calm before the world wakes up, allowing you to gather your thoughts, focus on your goals, and start your day on your own terms. Next, let's talk about exercise. It's no secret that exercise is good for you, but did you know that it's especially beneficial in the morning? Working out first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. It also boosts your energy levels, making you feel more awake and alert. Plus, it releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that elevate your mood and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Now, on to meditation. In our fast-paced, always-on world, stress is a constant companion for many of us. But it doesn't have to be. By incorporating meditation into your morning ritual, you can reduce your stress levels, improve your concentration, and increase your overall sense of well-being. It's like pressing a reset button on your mind, allowing you to start each day with a clean slate. Moving on to breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Eating a healthy breakfast fuels your body and brain with the nutrients they need to function optimally. It also helps regulate your blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes that can derail your productivity. Think of it as putting high-quality fuel in your car. It's going to run better and get you where you need to go more efficiently. Lastly, planning your day. This might seem like a no-brainer, but having a clear plan for your day can significantly increase your productivity. It helps you prioritize your tasks, manage your time more effectively, and reduce feelings of overwhelm. It's like having a roadmap for your day. You know exactly where you're going and how you're going to get there. The rewards of this ritual are plentiful, and they all contribute to a healthier, happier, and more productive day. So what are you waiting for? Start your day with purpose and intention and watch how it transforms your life. So, let's recap what we've discussed about this life-changing morning ritual. What is our morning ritual all about? It's about taking control of your day right from the start, by being mindful and intentional about how you spend your first waking hours. It's about setting the tone for the rest of your day, and consequently, how your life unfolds. Firstly, we talked about the importance of waking up early. This provides you with quiet, uninterrupted time to focus on yourself before the world wakes up. Next, we highlighted the significance of hydrating your body first thing in the morning. A glass of water can kickstart your metabolism and assist in the detoxification process. We also discussed the power of a healthy breakfast. Fueling your body with nutritious food not only provides you with energy, but also helps you maintain focus and productivity throughout the day. Exercise, of course, is another crucial component of our morning ritual. Whether it's a jog around the block, a yoga session, or a simple stretching routine, getting your body moving in the morning can boost your mood, improve your physical health, and set a positive mindset for the day. Lastly, we emphasize the value of mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling. These activities can help you cultivate a sense of inner peace, improve your mental clarity, and set your intentions for the day. So what's the big deal about all these small changes? Well, when you start your day with purpose and positivity, it spills over into the rest of your day. You're likely to be more productive, more balanced, and ultimately happier. Moreover, these practices don't just transform your mornings, they transform your life. They improve your physical health, reduce stress, increase focus, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, change your morning and you change your life, so why not give this morning ritual a try? I hope this video has inspired you to re-evaluate your morning routine. It's all about embracing new habits and making small, yet impactful changes. Start tomorrow, or even right now, because it's never too late to make a positive change. Imagine how empowering it would be to seize the day right from the moment you open your eyes. This morning ritual we've discussed isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a springboard for you to craft your own personalized routine. Give it a shot. Experiment with this morning ritual and observe the transformation it brings. Notice the newfound energy, the sharper focus, the improved mood, and the general sense of well-being. Remember, change begins with a single step, and your journey towards happier, healthier mornings starts with this morning ritual. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, here's to happier, healthier mornings.